House Chevrolet has been serving this area since 1923, and is conveniently located just 10 miles south of Rochester. At House Chevrolet, we select only the best trades. We put them through a rigorous inspection and recondition our vehicles to the highest level. You will not have to shop anywhere else. See our internet department for a no-pressure, hassle-free experience. We will be more than happy to answer any questions for you and assist you with your vehicle purchase in any way we can.